See those hummingbirds suspended in front of woods? But it's not woods. It's the reflection of the woods. See, there's a lamp inside the house. Oh, there's a reflection of me. So, those hummingbirds are up on the window in order to help deter bird collisions. My bird feeders are maybe anywhere from 5 feet to maybe 12 feet away from my sliding glass doors. I don't have too many bird collisions. However, in spring now or summer, with a lot of baby birds, they just kind of don't seem to know any better. So hopefully all these hummingbirds seeming to fly around here will help them to avoid this area. Now up here you see a leaf shape. I tried these first. These are supposed to work when ultraviolet light hits them, that it makes the birds see, I don't know, see something. But I don't really get enough sun on these windows for that to happen. Look, you can see how, look at, how is this happening? I'm looking at, yep, I'm looking at the window, but it really does look like there are trees there. So I need to give the birds a little bit of help so that they can know not to fly through this. I'm looking at it from the inside here. What happens is if they're out on the bird feeders, especially the two that are closest to the house, or if they're on the ground close to the house and they get scared, they will see the reflection of the woods in the sliding glass doors, and they may fly in that direction to escape, and they hit the glass. So hopefully my hummingbird decals will deter them. We'll see. I'll let you know. So this is the paper that comes with these window clings. And yes, I got them on Amazon. They were really easy to apply. And actually, they're really very pretty. They're, I don't know if they're photographs or just really nicely done painted things. Yeah, but they're real pretty. And I have a few left. They come on a piece of paper like that. As I said, very easy to apply. So I turned the lights on in the room so you can appreciate a little bit what they look like, seeing the colors a little bit better. Well, some of them are hard to, there we go. It's bright enough outside that it's hard to see something with the light behind it. But that gives you an idea. And I feel that it does not distract from my view of what's going on outside.